Ever wondered how to transfer your favorite photos or designs onto Canva so you can edit, print, or create something totally unique? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process of uploading and placing your images onto Canva, perfect for beginners or anyone looking to bring their ideas to life. First, open Canva and head to your workspace. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Uploads tab. It's easy to find. It's usually marked with an upward arrow icon. Click on that and you'll open the section where all your uploaded files will live. Next, click on the Upload Files button. This is your gateway to bringing your images into Canva. Once you click it, a window will pop up showing the folders and files on your device. From here, choose the image or images you want to transfer. You can upload one at a time or drag and select multiple files together if you're planning a larger design project. After you've selected your files, hit open. Canva will begin uploading your images right away. You'll see a progress bar appear as the files are processed, so just give it a moment depending on the size and number of your images. Once uploaded, you'll notice small previews of your images appear in your upload library. They're now ready to use. To transfer one onto your canvas, simply drag and drop the image from your upload section onto the design area. Now comes the fun part, positioning and adjusting your image. You can resize it by dragging the corners, rotate it using the rotation handle, or reposition it to get that perfect layout. Canva also gives you alignment guides to keep everything balanced and visually pleasing. If you want to enhance your image, explore Canva's editing tools. You can apply filters, adjust brightness or contrast, or even add text and graphic elements to make your design pop. Once you're happy with how everything looks, take a final look for any adjustments. Then you can download, print, or share your finished canvas, whatever suits your project. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your images onto Canva and created a design that's all your own. It's quick, flexible, and gives you full creative control whether you're making something personal or professional. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Canva tips, and share your favorite Canva project ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy designing.